Yes. And this is unit E, yeah? So unit E.
I don't know, teacher.
Okay, that's then why you say you have no question? So
I don't have the question of
okay,
text question. Yeah.
no problem. Tell me, guys, all of you guys, we have a nukta, okay? Can you please change your name to some, meaningful words? Okay. Do anybody knows that how can I make the comments in the HTML, please? How can I
Yeah.
comment it?
Can I write it?
Yeah,
Don't know how.
in the chat, no
Yeah,
problem.
okay, okay.
In the chat, you can answer me so I can. In the chat, you can. This is HTML, and then HTML has. Oh, very good. No, you missed one thing. Okay, you missed one thing. That is, I've. This is like that. Okay, so this is my comment in the. Now, I want to. What we have in the HTML, there are two main tags. What are those?
Head, body.
Very nice. So we have a head and we have head close, and then we have body, okay? Body and body close. So always when you write a code, this type of code, always open and closing should be together. Okay, in the head, we have what we have? We have two tags, main two tags that we are working, but rather three tags. What are those? One is
title.
Title, okay, and the other one is
Style.
Style. Very good. Um, Style, and we have another one. What is that?
Meta, maybe.
Meta, and we have meta tag, okay? Meta, and we say character set is equal to UTF minus 8. Okay, this is what we have. Now I come to the main part. I can put this meta on the top. Give me the anything that I can give a title for this program. Unit E online session. Is it okay? Can I give that name? And this is my style. Is it okay? In the style. Now, so we are declaring the font, right? We are declaring the font. How can we, in the body, what are the tags we have? In the body, what are the tags that we are having?
Article. Header.
Before, first of all, we have the header. And after the header, what we have?
Article or a site.
No. Now we learned something new, okay? What is that?
Navigation.
Navigation. And after navigation, what we have?
Article.
That's great. So let me make these, and then we will close all the, and then we have aside, and close the aside, and then we have the last one is
Footer.
Footer, and close the footer. So we have something like that, okay? By the way, we do have a script as well, okay? We do have a script as well, so we can write the script somewhere here. Script will always be, script can be anywhere, okay? Script can be anywhere. Okay, so I saved it. Where I have to save? In the unit I. This is like unit E, so I can go to unit E, okay? And then I can say this is online session dot HTML, okay? And unity HTML. So our first question was about the web font, about the font. Declare a font family. how can we declare a font family? For example, I have a header. In the header, what kind of tags we can have? In the header, what?
H1.
H1. H1. So I can say unit E. This is, what is unit E? Formatting text with CSS, huh? So unit E, formatting text with CSS. And then I can close H1. Is it okay? Now, if I run this one, then I will get something like that. Okay, so let me close these things. Close these things so I can. Okay, I don't want to save. I don't want to change. No, don't save it. I don't want to save it. No saving, no saving. And how about this one? No saving. Okay, still we have lecture, this level. Okay, and this is Excel. Okay, so what I was trying to do is, where is my program? Online session program. So formatting text with, okay, now I want to have, what I want to have? Style. So I have to declare a font for my H1. So how can I declare a font family for my H1?
H1 font family.
H1, and then I have to say font minus family. Very good. Nuqtatain. And then I have to specify my fonts. Is it okay?
Yes, double quotation, then
Either double quotation or you can just write the name or something like. For example, if I have an Arial font, that is a. Let's see what is the default font. Okay. So before I do anything, let me run this code. So I have to go to unit E, in the class unit E, and then I have to find out my online session as an online session program. And I just say something like that. So this is like, can you see that this is like a Times Roman font? Okay. If I say no, my style is Arial. Okay. And Arial, if I run it, did you see that, guys? The style is changed from Times to Arial. Okay, and then if I say, what is the other font that comes like an Arial? Do you remember that?
sans serif.
Sans serif is the okay. Sans serif is the family. Okay, sans serif is the family. Okay, I can say sans serif. Sans mean badoon, huh? SCRIF, sans serif. Yani if Arial is not there, then sans serif will come in action. We do have a Tahoma, something like that. Tahoma is also a family, so I can run it. So this is, for example, if Arial is not available. So for example, I made a mistake. I said AI, and then the Tahoma will be the second one. Okay. So if Arial is not available, then Tahoma will be the next one. Okay. Otherwise, the first one is Arial that will come up. Now, Shabab, what is this? H1. What is H1 in the style?
Attribute.
No, is not attribute. This is a selector. Okay, what is that? H1 is a selector. How many types of selectors we have? H1 in style is a selector. Okay. Now my question is, how many selectors we have? Yes, guys, Saif Al-Ghamdi, you know everything. Please tell me. Saif Al-Ghamdi,
I think we have like a 3 years. I think
selector. How many types of selectors we have?
a 3 or
Three
four.
selectors.
Yeah.
Three selectors. Okay, that's good idea.
Yeah.
Now,
Yes.
what are those selectors? The number one. What is the? So answer is we have three selectors.
3 selector. Yes.
This is the answer. Now, what is the first one?
I think B and H1 and div.
No. Okay, what is P? What is H1? What kind of selectors are these?
Element or
No, what kind of elements are they? Okay, what is P? P belongs to no.
paragraph.
No, P is a paragraph. H1 is a heading. But which language are they belongs to? They belongs to HTML. So they are known as HTML selectors. Okay. What is the example of HTML selector? P, H1, you understand? Article, okay, H2, etc. So these are all what selector? HTML selector, okay? Number two. What is the number two? Second selector. There are three selectors. Saf mentioned three selectors. What is the second type of ID? ID selector. Is it okay? ID selector start with
Hashtag.
hashtag. So for example, this A is a ID selector. Okay. Now what is number three?
Class selector.
Class selector. Okay. So we have a class selector. Class selector start with
Dot.
Start with nukta. Start with dot. This is dot. So for example, dot navigation. You understand? Or dot container. Okay. So these are the three types of. Okay. Now, so I want to declare. So I declared H1 font family, Arial, Tahoma, Serif. So what is H1? What is H1?
HTML selector.
That is right. Okay. What is this part? This kullu part? The font family, Nuktatan, and the values of the font family, Arial, Tahoma, Serif. What is this?
Style.
No.
I think that's the name. It's stack font. I think of stack font.
Okay, what is this area? What is this area? What is this area? Or what is this? Oh, for example, if I have something like that. Okay, guys, this is the declaration. What is that? This area, guys, no. This area is a declaration. Is that clear? H1 is a selector. H1 is a selector. You know, there are two parts. Okay, now what is font family in this part? What is font family?
The font is the change font.
What is this font family? What is the answer?
Is the font changing
Okay,
the
what is
size?
this? What is this font family? What is this font family? I'm not saying what it
It's
do.
a font, teacher.
No, what is font family?
Main font.
Before the nuqtatan. What is before nuqtatan? What you call it? Before nuqtatan. What you call it?
attribute.
Or
property.
okay. I have a question. What is this part?
value or
So what is Arial? What is this part? Okay. What is this? This is answer. This is, what is this? This is what? This is value.
value.
This is value. Clear? Okay, so now we are going for, so we did talk about this part. Now, Shabab, I want to have a special heading for my, okay, I want to have a special font which is not available here, and it is available on the website. So how can I get that font from the website? How can I access the font that is available on a website? Yes, Shabab. I have to go to the font. Say, I don't know, we forgot. So we have to go to the fonts.google.com. Okay, we have to go to this website, fonts.google.com. And now in this one, we will search for the font. Do you like any font which you want to use, guys? Any font that you like? Okay, in our book, we have a bitter. We have a bitter font. Okay, this one. So bitter font is this one. Huh? So if you want to get the font that you want to use it, these are the different styles of the bitter font. So I think we are interested in the 900, black 900, okay? So I clicked on that. I want to get this font, so I click on the get font, okay? Now I click on the get font. Where is that get font? So I can say, I want to embed this code, okay? I want to embed this code. Click on that. So I got so this is the link, guys. This is the link that I got. So I can copy this code from here and I can put this link into my head. Okay. In the head, I can put my links. So this is one link, this is another link. You see that? And this is another link, and this is the third link. So now I can add a bitter in my font list. So if you see here, now I have the first font is bitter, not the Arial. So if I can go back and I can refresh, now you will see that. Is it coming like yes or no? Did I save? I saved the online session. Now we have a bitter font. This is font is bitter. Oh, font is tangerine, guys. What is the font? Tangerine. Oh, I by mistake, I copy a different font, tangerine. So I can write tangerine is my first font. And I can say refresh. Now you see that, guys? We got a tangerine. So you see that now we are reading the font from a website. So this is how we can work with that. So we got a font from the website. So we are accessing a font from a website. Okay. What else? What else we want to do? So we learned how to get the font from the website, how to make a font stack. Okay, can you tell me what are the generic font families? Okay, what are the generic font families? What are the generic font families? Yes, please. Answer my question. Generic font families, but by default available on every computer.
I think it's 5, maybe.
Yeah, there are 5. So we have 5 generic fonts. Okay, and we call them fonts family. Okay, good. What are those? Number 1,
Serif.
serif. I can read small. Okay, serif. Yes. Number 2,
sans serif.
sans serif. Very good. And number 3.
I think monospace or something.
Okay, we have third one is a monospace. You're very right. And number 4, cursive. And number 5,
I think fantasy.
fantasy, mashallah. So we have 5 generic families. So these are the one that you can use. Okay, very good. Now we want to declare a font. We declare a font. We already declared a font family. Okay, this is the command. This is the command to declare a font family. Okay. If I want to declare a font family for fantasy, for H2, how can I do that? That H2, okay, let's have an H2, okay? In the article, I am having H2, okay, guys? In the article, I'm having H2. So H2 about us. Is it okay? And I close it. So now please help me out for H2 family. And that I want the fantasy family. How can I make sure that H2, okay, let's see what is the H2 font by default, okay? Oh, H2 font by default is Times Roman. Now, please tell me, how can I make the font family fantasy for H2? Always. Yo, Muhammad Bakri? Muhammad Bakri, can you help me?
Yes.
What is that? How can I make sure that I have font family? Fantasy will always be for H2. Yes.
To make it in the first.
So how can I say that? The font family for H2 should always be fantasy.
Font family.
Aiva, font family. And always be fantasy. Is that the right spelling? Fantasy, like that? Is that the right spelling? Fantasy. This and this. Yeah, fantasy is this one, okay? Now if I declared H2 font family as fantasy for always. Did you see that? H2 font family is fantasy. So I declared that. But this is how I declare. Is it okay? This is how I declare. Paragraph, I want to have a permanently fancy. Permanently cursive. Yes, please. paragraph. How can I do that, Muhammad? We have another Muhammad as well. Yes, Muhammad Aliyati. I want paragraph.
Yes, teacher.
Paragraph font family should always be cursive. What should I do?
What, teacher?
I want paragraph should always be cursive. So I have to declare that the paragraph font family must be cursive all the time. How can I declare? So I declare that font family is cursive. Okay, this is how I can declare the font family. You got the point, guys? Muhammad Aliyati, what I did here in the second line, what I did in this part?
We did the H2 is fantasy.
No. What I did, I declare.
Declare the font.
What I did,
Declare.
I declare. What I declare? The font family. Fantasy.
Yes.
To what?
To font cursive.
No. I declare font family, fantasy. To what? To H2.
H2, yeah.
To heading 2. Okay. What I did in this line, what I did?
You
I declare.
declare H2 to
No,
fantasy.
no. I declare font family.
Declare to
This
font
is
family fantasy.
okay. This is declaration. What I did, this part, I declare. I'm telling the system. I declare to the system. What I declare to the system? The font family. I declare to the system font family. Which font family? Fantasy. To which tag? To H2 selector.
H2 selector.
Clear? What I
Yeah.
did in this line? Please tell me.
You cursive the font family.
No. I declare. Say I declare.
I declare the font family to
Cursive.
cursive
To
B.
the paragraph.
Paragraph, yeah.
To P selector. To P
Yeah.
selector. Is that clear?
Yes.
What you did in this part? What you did here?
Name a font family and
Say I declare.
I declare font
What?
family triangle line and the rail. What is the Homa and since serve.
Okay. So you okay. What is this part? What is this part?
This is the value.
No, this is the value. That's right. That is one answer. But in the font, what is this? This is a font stack.
Font stack.
Yani, if you have more than one item, this is a stack of item. One, So this is a stack of font that you declared. Is that clear?
Yes.
So okay, I will ask you one more question. Okay, H2.
Yeah.
Font size 20 pixels. What I did in this command, in this part?
You change the font.
No.
Declare.
What you declare?
The font size.
What?
To 20 pixels.
For what?
For H2.
So this is what your answer should be. That I declare what?
Font size to 20 pixels for H2.
For H2. What is H2? What is H2?
H2 the size.
No. Yeah. What is H2?
HTML.
Yeah. H1 is a
HTML selector.
Where is that? HTML selector. You got the point? What is this?
Yes, yes.
HTML
HTML
selector.
selector.
So give me the answer again. What you did in this part?
To declare a font size to 20
Not to declare. No, you say I declare.
I declare the font size to 20 pixels for H2.
For what is H2?
For H2
That is
HTML selector.
that is HTML selector. So I declare a font size 20 pixels for HTML selector. Which HTML selector? H2. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. I will. Can I take an exam for you?
Okay. No
Okay.
problem.
No problem. Yeah, teacher. Okay. What you did here?
Here, declare.
Say I declare.
I declare font weight to
Bold.
bold for paragraph.
For paragraph. What is
HTML
paragraph?
selector.
For paragraph, which is
HTML selector.
Fahem?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Now I can go, and you see here I have H2 is a fantasy. H2 has 20 pixel. Let's see if it is 20 pixel. You see that 20 pixel is small.
Yes.
I can make it 40 pixels. Let's see 40 pixels, and we'll see here. You see that 40 pixels, and we don't have a paragraph. So in the article, I can say I have a paragraph. In the paragraph, we are having an online session, and paragraph close. Now, okay, paragraph, let's see, paragraph has, paragraph is this one, okay? You see the simple size?
Yes.
Simple text for that one? Very good. Now, I go back and I say, hey, the font family is cursive. Is it okay?
Okay.
So I'm saying, when I run it, refresh, did you see the cursive? Small little bit?
Yes, yes.
And I say, the font weight is bold. Is it okay? For the paragraph. And see. Did you see that? We got a bold.
Yes.
Okay. And if I say, if I say something like that, what I'm saying here, you have to read it out loudly.
To declare.
You declare what?
You declare. I declare font size to 20 pixels for paragraph selector, HTML selector.
HTML selector. Very nice. So I can go back and you see that? We got a little bit more.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now I can go back to so we declare the font family. You know how to declare a font family? Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
What is this part? What is this part? Please tell me.
Wait.
This I selected this part. Times Roman, New, Times Serif. What is this part?
This font name.
Font stack.
Yeah, font stack.
Font stack. Okay, good. Now this is done. We did the custom font. We got the font from the internet. Okay, we did this part. We declared the font size. Okay. Line height. Yeah, we can declare the line height as well. No problem. Okay, one thing I want to teach you guys. You know, this is HTML selector. Is that clear? I can say that font size for this Kullu HTML page is 30 pixels. Is that okay?
Okay.
Now, if you go there and you see refresh, did you see some change?
Yes,
it is for every it is
probably
30 pixels.
30
So let me remove this one. Let me the H2 because H2 is like H2 is like 40. So let me remove this one. Let me remove the paragraph as well. Okay. And save it, and I can just remove this one as well for some time. And let me refresh. Okay, this is the default size, okay? This is the default size for everyone. Now I say I want to declare font size for HTML. What is the font size I declare? 30 pixels. Now let's go and see what is happening. For everyone is 30 pixel now. You see that?
Yes, yes.
Unless I specify for everyone. But now everyone is like 30 pixels for HTML, because everything comes in the HTML, and I say, okay, HTML font size is that clear?
Clear.
If I say, okay, HTML, font style is italic. Okay. Now you will see that everything in the HTML document is italic now. So here, with the help of HTML, we can do something like that. We can set the standard size of the website. If I don't specify, everything will be 16 pixels, something like that. Okay. If I don't specify, everything will be 16 pixels. Whether it's a heading or it is a paragraph or anything will be 16 pixels. Okay. We have interesting part. This is what we're talking about. Pixels, okay? How about if I say this is 2EM? You remember 2EM? What does that mean? 1 EM is the default size. Whatever is the size is 1 EM. Maybe 2 EM mean double the size. Double the size of paragraph. So let's see, I say 1 EM, and let's see the paragraph. Okay, so this is the paragraph size. This is the paragraph size. Now, if I made it 2 EM for the font size, you will see that it is almost the double. Did you see the double?
Yeah.
So this EM stand for 2 EM stand for double the size, and 200%. Or you can say 200%, like this one. You see no change because this is already 200%. So either 200% or you can say 2 EM, same thing. Yeah, no change. Okay. Line height. Let's try the line height as well. So I can have another paragraph. I think we learn better in an online session than class. How's that? Okay. Did you see that now? So we have 2 lines, huh?
Yes.
Now, if I say, hey, paragraph, I want the line height minus HEIGHT is 2 EM, and double the size. Let's go and see. Did you see some change in the line height for the paragraph?
Nothing changed.
Oh, okay, if nothing changed, 5 EM, sure.
Yeah, okay.
Right?
The between the
Yeah, between the lines, between the paragraphs.
Yes.
1 EM, sure, 1 EM. Did you see that?
Yes.
So if you make it 2, it means double space, 3 times space. Okay. So this is line height that we are talking about. This is like, for example, if I say nus 0.5 EM. Did you see that? Come close. 0.1 EM. Did you see that? Mazid?
Yes.
Close? Yeah, it's like that. Okay, and what else we have in this part? We did the italic and the bold. Yeah, that is done. Italic and the bold is font. Then we have pseudo element, like first element of the first letter, first line. Okay. Now we have this is the first letter for the paragraph. So if I say, hey, paragraph, your first letter, is that okay? The first letter should be something like size, font size 3 EM, yani 300% for the first letter, for the paragraph, okay? If I save it and I go back, did you see that, guys? This is
Yes.
this is 300%, huh? This is 300%. Okay, let me go and change the line height to 3 EM. Let's see that. So we have like, this is the one that we have like, okay, first letter is, can I remove the bold for the font? Can I remove the bold for the font? And I say, okay, P, your first line should be font style should be italic. Okay, so the first line should be italic. You see that this is the first line. Now, if I increase the line, yani if I have more text in this line, I can say that we are having an online session. Oh, sorry. We are having an online session, like that. Did you see that? The first line is italic. All other lines are normal. You see? Of the paragraph.
Yes.
First line. So this is because of this class, huh? This class. What is this class? First line or first letter? What is this class? What we call them?
Declare the line.
We call them pseudo-element. Pseudo-element. So pseudo-element. If I say my pseudo-element, first letter. If I say my first letter, okay, my first letter, float left. What is that? My first letter float left. You see the first letter here of the paragraph?
Yes.
Float left.
Yes.
You see it comes down, right?
Right.
So this is how you can make the float left, so it will come down a little bit. So this is the first letter. How can I make the selection? You know, when I select on the web page, I got blue background and white color, right?
Right.
Blue background and white color. You know what I want? I want the yellow and the black. Yellow on the background, black text. What should I do? For the paragraph, only for the paragraph. I have a pseudo class. I have a pseudo class selection. You see that?
Yeah.
On your selection. So what should we do for that? For the
Paragraph, background, color.
No. Selection.
Selection.
Selection class. What you want? Background.
Background, the color.
The color is yellow. And the color is black.
Black.
Is it okay? So when we select, the background will be yellow and the color will be black. Only for
Selection.
no.
Paragraph selection.
Only for paragraph. Okay. When you select the paragraph, it will be like that. I refresh the page. I select here. Is this a paragraph?
No.
That is why it is blue and white, huh?
Yeah.
How about this one? Oh, this is also
blue.
So not working. If I make a double quotation, okay, if I make a double quotation, let's try again.
Oh.
Did you see that?
Yes.
And how about this one? What I will get for the about?
Say blue and
blue. And how about the heading one?
blue.
You see that?
Yeah.
So I only specify. I'm not getting for this one. You see, this is a mukhtalif now. It becomes a different style. That's why it is blue. But all other things in the paragraph, they are
yellow and black.
yellow and black. You see that? This is the selection that we got. Okay. We did that. And now we have the colors. Do you see the colors? How many types of colors we have? I have a question here. How many types of colors we have? What is the answer? Hey, Muhammad Saif, Ahmed Al-Ghamdi. Yes, please. What are how many types of colors we have? Answer.
4
We have 3 types of colors.
3 type.
3 types of colors. What are the 3 types of colors? You can specify color by
Red and
color by name, okay?
yeah,
By name, and then by hex
hex,
and by RGB.
RGB.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
You can specify color by name, by hex number, or by RBG. You can use one of them, okay? Red, blue, green. Now let's try that. So what we want is for paragraph, what I want, the color should be red for paragraph. How can I specify? Paragraph. You see here, I'm specifying the name. You see that?
Yes, yes.
I specify the name. Now, can we make a paragraph color with the help of red, blue, green, RGB?
Yeah, 255.
So I can say RGB. What I have to say? 255, 0, 0.
Yeah,
The first one is always red.
red,
First one is always red. The second one is,
green,
and the third one is always blue.
blue.
Okay? So let's try that. We can go back and refresh. You see that? Now we have the paragraph is red and everything is black. You see that?
Yeah,
I want paragraph should be green. So I am using, so I can say 255, and then this one will be 0. And if I go back here, refresh, you see we are green. So that is how we can change the color by using red, blue, green. This is the second part. Now, Shabab, I want the hexadecimal. How can I specify the hexadecimal color for H2? Yes. Muhammad Al-Jati. What I will do now? What I will do, yes?
what the question, teacher?
No, I will declare.
Declare.
How can I declare?
Declare for what, teacher?
I want to declare the style, the color in hexadecimal for H2.
I declare
So how can I declare? How can I start?
H2
No, H2 is there. Yes, H2 is there.
background,
Then,
hex.
no, the declaration start with bracket. Okay, this declaration.
Yeah.
How can I start the declaration?
With the double. Yes,
With,
this.
with bracket. Okay.
Yeah, black.
Now, what should I say now? What is the property?
Background.
I want the front color, not the background. Front color.
Font color.
Color.
Color. Number. Hashtag this. Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see what is the H2 now. Did you see the change?
Yeah.
It's gray now. Huh?
Gray. Yeah.
Very good. So this is how. So here we specify the color by name. You see that? Here we specify the color by RGB, and here we specify the color by
Hex.
hex. By the way, you can have a 3, this is the smallest, and you can have a 6 as well. So for example, I say F, F, F. So did you see? It becomes blue, light blue,
Yes.
like that. Anyway, you can say A, B, C, D, E, F. We can give 6 numbers, huh? Okay, this is also like a light blue, huh? Okay, I can say A, C, E, E, F. Let's try that, this color. Oh, they're all, anything starting with A, I think. Okay, 9, E, C, E, E, F. Let's try that one. Oh, I don't know what is happening with this. But anyway, this is the color that we are using, the tags for this one, huh? Okay, what else is there? Now add a shadow, huh? We have to add the shadow for the, so I can remove the H2 color. I'm going to keep it simple. Text shadow. I want a text shadow for my heading, H1, okay? So what should I do for the text shadow? H1, and I have to declare text shadow. Now, the value for this one could be 2 pixel. This is, let's see, what is 2 pixel, huh? It is red. So 2 pixel is right and left, I think. You see that? It is right and left. Now I'm going to make it more clear. I will make it 5 pixels so you can see the difference. Did you see that? The red color is on the right and left. But if I say this is like 5 pixel on second one, this will be vertical, top and down. So let's see. Oh, it is coming down. If I say minus 5 pixels, it will be on the top. You see, the red color is on the top. And then this is the blurry one, okay? If I say 5 pixel blurry, it will blur the 5, like that. So with the red color. So this is the text shadow. Similarly, I want a box shadow. Same stuff. I will say box shadow. And then I will do the same thing. Now this will declare a shadow for the box. Try that. Did you see that? Shadow for the box. If I say the first one, this is second one is minus, plus. So this line, the top line will come at the bottom. You see that? So this minus 5 will make him up, plus 5 will bring him down, and this minus 5x will bring this part, you see this part on the left side. So if it is minus, the line will be on the left side, from this side. So this is how we can give a shade, text shadow and the box shadow. I think it's too much for today. Media query, maybe we can do it in the next time. This is
Thank you.
so, yeah. So inshallah, thank you very much, Mr. Muhammad Al Yati. You gave me some time.
Thank you very much.
You are most welcome, my dear.